man. So I've been kind of wondering, what's the life like for you? Like, is it really crashing? Do you do a normal 9 to 5 or 5 to 9, whatever it is? Stay up in traffic jams, go to a place where you gotta be somebody else, you mean yourself, because you just want to put food on your table? Man, that's really tough, but we gotta do what we gotta do, right? Well, can you please relate to me, like, naturally, from your heart? Do you feel pressured about what you do? Do you want to have a more fulfilling life where you can have hours to yourself doing things that you're really passionate about, but it's actually rewarding? Come on, man. I really want that. Ain't talking about laziness. It's pretty much hard work, but you're doing something that's truly fulfilling. Feel me?
我从春天走来，你在秋天说要分开，说好不为你忧伤，但心情怎会无恙？
I'm crazy about animals. I love flowers. My mom was a florist all her life until she retired. It got into me. From birth, my daddy used to breed sheep, and we used to have a dog breeding camp in our home where we had a lot of dogs. So I'm a dog man. I love nature. So I truly like to be connected to the outside world. Just take a walk by the riverside, by the lake. It kind of heals me, and nothing can compare to that feeling. I love it when it rains. I don't know why people hate rain.